We're going to tag team.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we're going to tag team this, man. Appreciate that.
How y'all doing today?
All right. We're good.
When y'all learned about Fight Night, you know, the cause and everything, you know, it was just basically a no-brainer to come out, help celebrate it, right?
Yeah, definitely. That's what it's about, bro.
You know, growing up, you know, you see where to get back to inner youth and stuff like that. Some of you guys were athletes and things, so obviously it mean a lot. You know, congratulations when you get married too.
Thank you very much.
Man.
Show the ring. Show the ring. I just checked out his ring.
It was so much going on, I never checked out the ring. I saw his ring at sound check. I was like, wait, that thing blinded me.
Whole different stage, man.
That's true pimping. When you're getting pimped.
I was going to ask about what you just touched on in the MTV, the reunion and everything, man. For y'all to close out, still get recognized after all these years, man. Still got to mean something. You're doing something right.
Oh, it's a blessing. It's a blessing, man. We appreciate it all, man. Appreciate the fans, people that call us and come out, man. This is what we do. This is our lane, so we do it hard.
Looking forward, man,
yes,
to
sir.
it, man. I know y'all got the movie probably in the works too.
Oh, yeah.
And stuff like
You
that.
see all those biopics
I
out
see
there.
it, man. You got to start reading all the stuff like who's gonna play who. I honestly think you guys can play yourselves.
I'm going to have Mike Tyson play me.
I'm looking at the shoulders, man. You got the Mike Tyson shoulders.
Yeah, Mike going to go just as he is.
Now, let me
I'm be a 21-year-old, 60-year-old bearded man.
Jersey has a lot of history with boxing, man. Who was some of your favorite boxers to come out of Jersey?
Shakur Stewart right now. Shakur Stewart. That's Stevenson, rather. My bad. Yeah, he's from the Brick City North, so he's brand new right now.
Okay. So if one of you guys actually say if this music didn't work out, which one of you guys would be good with the hands right now? I gotta ask you that.
Boxing?
Yeah.
I'd be.
We gonna all just jump in.
Yeah. And I'm more of a nerd. I'm more nerdy by nature, so I think I would have invented Facebook or Instagram by now. Yeah. I was a computer science major before I had to hit the block.
I did not know that, man.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy. Since we've been still got your stuff on cassette, man.
That part.
Since we've been in the DC area, who are some of the DC fighters you guys watch?
DJ Cole. I'm not really familiar with the fighters who come out of DC, but I am a big fight fan. So.
What about Gervonta Davis?
Oh, Gervonta. Okay, my bad. Damn, little champ, yeah. So he's the truth right now. I just think that if he stays focused and disciplined, because I know he's hanging out with AB a lot, you know what I mean? So if he stays disciplined and focused, man, the champ, sky's the limit with him.
What do you guys like about Gervonta?
I just love his aggression, his power. You know what I'm saying? His power. And he's like a shorter, stockier guy, right? So he reminds me of a young Mike Tyson. So again, long as he stays focused and disciplined and not get so distracted. And listen, pay attention to Money Mayweather, yo. Pay attention to the Triple OG, and he has a bright future ahead of him.
Okay, I hear one more. Gervonta Davis is taking on Yuriorkis Gamboa December 28th in Atlanta, Georgia. It's going to be a huge card. What do you guys think about that fight between him and Yuriorkis Gamboa?
You know, I have to look into that fight because I follow fights a lot. So I see that's his next opponent, and they've been antagonizing each other. So I'm going to look at the opponent and see how he sizes up. But my money is on the money team, baby.
You think knockout?
All the fame.
Of course, knockout.